Hello everyone, let's dive into the AULA F75, a 75% wireless mechanical keyboard that's been making waves for its features and price point. Right out of the box, the white and blue color scheme give it a clean, modern aesthetic that should fit nicely on most desks. This keyboard boasts impressive compatibility, working seamlessly with laptops, PCs, gaming consoles, tablets, and even smartphones. This versatility makes it a great option for users who switch between devices regularly. The AULA F75 offers multiple connectivity options: 2.4 GHz wireless, Type-C wired, and Bluetooth 5.0. The 2.4 GHz wireless provides a low-latency connection for gaming, while Bluetooth 5.0 allows for easy pairing with multiple devices. The Type-C connection ensures a stable wired connection when needed. One of the standout features of the AULA F75 is its hot swappable design. This means you can easily replace the switches without soldering, allowing you to customize the feel and sound of your keyboard. The keyboard comes with pre-lubed Reaper switches, which provide a smooth and satisfying typing experience. The pre-lubing is a nice touch, as it eliminates the need to manually lubricate the switches, saving time and effort. The RGB backlighting is another highlight. The keyboard offers a variety of lighting effects that can be customized to match your preferences. The backlighting is bright and vibrant, adding a touch of flair to your setup. The 75% layout is a great compromise between functionality and space saving. It retains all the essential keys while reducing the overall footprint of the keyboard. This makes it a good option for those with limited desk space. Overall, the AULA F75 is a feature-packed keyboard that offers excellent value for money. Its versatility, customization options, and solid performance make it a great choice for gamers, typists, and anyone looking for a reliable wireless mechanical keyboard.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.